YouTube, what's going on? Let's create a Node web application server using Express, and let's try and do it in under 3 minutes. So I have my terminal open here. The first thing I'm going to do is create my directory that's going to be holding my server files, and we call it hello world because why not? All right, let's cd into hello world now, and let's take a quick peek. There's nothing in there. So next thing I want to do here is I want to create my index.js file. This is going to be holding my server code. Boom. ls, we can see that file is created, and that file is going to be empty for now. Next, we want to install our Express module using Node Package Manager. Note some requirements for this is that you have Node installed on your machine, and also you have an editor of some sort as well. So call npm, which stands for Node Package Manager. We're going to give it I, stands for install, and Express, which is the name of the modules or packages we want to install. Give it a second after we press enter. Perfect, do a ls, and we can see now we have a Node module. So let's just take a quick peek in there. And we can see that Express is installed down here, and the rest of these are other dependencies required by it. I'm going to cd out of here. Alright, so next on the list is we're going to edit our index.js or index.js file to include all the code that we need to run our server. I'm going to fire this up in Visual Studio Code. You can use whatever editor you would like. So let's get to it. Okay, so we're in our index.js file here. The first thing I want to do here is bring in my module. It's a matter of calling require and then passing in the module name, which is Express in this case. Next, I want to access to an Express function within the Express module. I'm going to assign it to a constant app, and this constant app is what we're going to be assigning a route to. So let's start off with a simple get route here. Our get route is going to take two parameters. The first is the path. It's going to be the root in this case, and the second is going to be a callback handler, which itself is going to take two parameters, request and response. And then we want to have this return a simple JSON back. And it's going to say hello world. All right. Next, we need to tell our server what port to listen on. So let's have it listen on port 3000. And if it connects successfully, then let's have it log that out. All right. Now it's a matter of running our server. So let's come down here to our terminal, do an ls. And we see we have index.js here, and we can run our server by calling node period, since it's called index.js, and then pressing enter. Connected successfully, that means the server is running. I'm going to switch over to another terminal here and to show you how to hit this route here. So let's do a curl to localhost 3000 since that's the port it's running on. Enter, and we see we're getting back data hello world. That's kind of ugly here, so let's use this REST extension that I've downloaded for Visual Studio Code. I'll put some information in the video description. And let's just press send request. We see your headers here, and then we see our data coming back hello world. So that's it. A Node web application server set up in under 3 minutes using Express. If you like these short videos, let me know and I'll make a bunch more. Leave some comments, tell me what you like, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.